What is up, guys? One Arm Bandit here. We're having a brewski while taking a break. As you guys can see, we are here at ADV Leisure, and stoked to announce, if you guys haven't seen it on Instagram and Facebook yet, but it is the new home for Mud and Dust Moto and the Bronx. So Zane and I are currently here trying to figure out how we want to set up our display room. We're going to put a bike up against that wall there, and then we'll have our display area right over here. So super stoked for the opportunity, and yeah, we're gonna make the best of it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a growing process. It's gonna take us some time, but come and check out. We got a opening on the 3rd of September, Saturday.
On the 4th of September.
4th of September, opening on the 4th of September, Saturday. It's going to be a lot happening here. We're going to be starting up the bikes, do a bit of riding around here, come check out the boats. Hopefully we'll have some stock up then, but at least we'll have our floor layout laid out. Floor layout. and yeah, let us know what you think. Come check the bikes out. Let's see if we can make it happen.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we have been experimenting a bit, and when you walk in the door, well, let me actually walk in the door. There's another bike that's going to go on this wall. So you come in, first thing you see is a RF250 mounted against the wall, and we'll probably put a maybe a KO, one of the two strokes, against this wall. So sick little mounting, and then we're going to have all the bikes over here. Our retail space is going to start on this wall and run through the back next to the quads. But yeah, pretty unique mounting situation, I think. What do you think, Zane?
Yeah, I think it's going to turn out nicely. I thought it was going to be difficult to get it up there, but at least as long as you got someone to clip and a nice fresh lad to lift it, pretty easy.
Zane was the muscle, and the One Arm Bandit did the clipping. Guys working hard. I'm filming. Okay, our AU200 doing the job. Good old utility quad.